students, hope you and your family are happy and healthy. In today's class, I will explain exercise 5.2. But before proceeding, I will explain about some new angles and its property. Vertically opposite angles and linear pair. You had learned these two angles in exercise 5.1. I am explaining again because these angles are related to exercise 5.2. Here two lines are intersect at a point. So angle 1 and 3 vertically opposite angles, 2 and 4 vertically opposite angles, and linear pair एक लाइन पर two angles, pair of these two 1 and 4, 1 and 2 ये एक लाइन है, 2 and 3 this is straight line, 3 and 4. तो यहाँ पर हमें 4 pairs linear pairs मिलते हैं. ठीक है. Come to the parallel lines, non-parallel lines and transversal. What is parallel line? Parallel lines have same distance. They never meet each other. अगर हम इन्हें आगे extend करें तो भी ये एक दूसरे को intersect नहीं करेंगी. Like railway track. But these two lines are non-parallel because here is see here distance are not equal. अगर हम इन्हें extend करें तो ये किसी एक point पे जाकर intersect होंगी. These are non-parallel lines and one line intersect these two lines, two or more lines और भी हो सकती हैं, intersect to different point, अलग अलग point पर intersect करें. So this is transversal line and this is also transversal line. These 2 points, see, this is transversal line and this transversal line makes 8 angles with 2 lines. अगर 2 lines हैं तो यहाँ हमारे 8 angles बनते हैं. So here you will learn about relation between these 8 angles. See here exterior angles and interior angles. 2 parallel lines, this is transversal line. Okay. So here exterior angle, it means outside angles. 2 lines से outside. See 1 and 2, 3 and 4. These are exterior angles. And interior angles inside, अंदर की तरफ, inside जो हैं जैसे 5, 6, 7, 8. These are interior angles. Understand? Again I repeat. 2 lines parallels and this is transversal line. ये अभी तक आपको समझ आ गया होगा. और exterior angles, see outside angles जो 2 lines के अंदर हैं, these are interior angles and these are exterior angles. Okay, so angle 1 and angle 2 and angle 3, 4, these are exterior angles. And interior angles, angle 5, angle 6, 7 and 8, these are interior angles. And another name, alternate interior and exterior angles. Alternate interior angles, interior अंदर inside, और interior angles, alternate interior angles कौन से हैं? Suppose angle 1 है, so angle 1 का interior alternate interior angles हम search करेंगे अपोजिट साइड में जाकर, और सी हेयर इट इज़ क्रॉस बनाता है एंगल 1 and 2, 3 का 3 and 4. अगेन एंगल 1 and 2 अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल and 3 and 4 alternate interior angle. And exterior angles, angle 5 and 7 both are exterior angle. Angle 5 का alternate, see अब हम अपोजिट साइड में जाएंगे, बाहर दूसरी साइड में, एक्सटीरियर एंगल के दूसरी साइड. सो और उसके अपोजिट साइड एंगल 5 का 6, एंगल 7 का 8. सो अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स, एंगल 1 is equal to, and these are always equal, angle 2, and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. These are alternate interior angles. And exterior angles, angle 5 and 6. Angle 5 is equal to angle 6 and angle 7 and 8. is equal to 8. These are alternate interior angles, these are alternate exterior angles. Okay, corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are जो सेम पोजीशन में हो. सी दिस इज, ये हमारा इस कॉर्नर में एक एंगल है और इधर पर इस सेम पोजीशन में ये वाला. सी दिस इज, बोथ आर corresponding angle. Suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. अब एंगल 1 सेम पोजीशन में है एंगल 5. सो एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू, दीज आर ऑलवेज इक्वल, एंगल 5. और एंगल 2 का सेम पोजीशन, एंगल 2 दिस एंगल 6. एंगल 2 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 6. और एंगल 3 सी, ये अंदर है, सी नीचे. सो हम आते हैं इधर, सेम एंगल 3 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 8 एंड अनदर सी 4, 7. सो एंगल 4 is equal to angle 7. So these are corresponding angles. सेम पोजीशन में होते हैं. ये हमारी एक क्लास है और ये हमारी दूसरी क्लास है. अब इस क्लास में जहाँ पर ये आपका डेस्क है और सेम दूसरी क्लास में भी आपका डेस्क है, these are, they are making corresponding angles. Same angle 2, angle 6, angle 3, angle 8, angle 4, angle 7. Okay. Or one more things, interior angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. एक ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन के साइड में अंदर जो दो एंगल्स हैं 3 and 6, एंगल 3 प्लस एंगल 6, सेम साइड ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन से अंदर जो इंटीरियर एंगल्स हैं 3 and 6 या 4 and 5, इन दोनों एंगल्स का सम 180 डिग्री होगा. This is a rule. See, angle 3 plus 6 and angle 4 plus 5 is equal to 180 degree. Listen to it very carefully, otherwise you cannot understand exercise 5.2. Let's start exercise 5.2. Write the required angle given in the figure. एक फिगर है and the question is, A part, the angle alternate to angle CPY. Angle CPY. CPY. It means this angle. And alternate angle of this angle, this is outside angle. तो हमें भी इस साइड आउटसाइड आना है और अपोजिट साइड. So it means this is alternate angle of angle CPY. So alternate angle of angle CPY is equal to angle XOB. XOB, और इसको उल्टा भी बोल सकते हैं, एंगल BOX. Understand? Come to the B part. The angle corresponding to angle BOX. BOX. Again, ये वाला angle, but corresponding angle. See this angle and see there is the one mistake. Alternate angles are equal, but in this question alternate angles are not equal because these two lines are not parallel. Whenever lines are parallel, तो वहाँ के alternate और corresponding angle will be equal. अगर lines parallel होंगी और एक transversal line उनको intersect करेगी, तभी हम कहेंगे alternate angles and corresponding angles are equal. But here these two lines are not parallel. So we can say these are alternate angle but not equal. Okay. So B part, corresponding angles. This is corresponding angle, and question is ki find corresponding angle of angle XOB. So corresponding angle of angle XOB का corresponding angle OPD या DPO. दिस वर्टेक्स हमेशा बीच में ही रहता है, ठीक है. सी पार्ट, द एंगल कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग टू BOP. See BOP, it means this angle. So corresponding angle to BOP, so corresponding angles of which angle? BOP. हम यहाँ एरो लगा रहे हैं बिकॉज दीज आर नॉट इक्वल. सो एंगल BOP इसका कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल सी हियर, सेम पोजीशन में, सेम पोजीशन सिमिलर सी. तो इस एंगल को क्या कहेंगे? DPY. और YPD. Okay, D part, see D part, the angles alternate to OPC. So here alternate angles. I am explaining some part and remaining part do yourself. Okay, so D part, alternate angles of angle OPC. It means this angle and alternate angles. So this is interior angle, and this one, see, opposite side, these are alternate angle. So angle OPC, what is the name of this angle? BOP. or POB. Clear? In question number 2, lines L and M are intersect by transversal line P, and measure of two angles are given. See, and the question is L and M are parallel? So how can we find? See, there is, see, 62 and angle 1 is corresponding angle, और अगर ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल होंगे तो हम कहेंगे so L and M are parallel. Let's check. See, angle 1 and 118 both are linear pair. So you can find angle 1 according to linear pair. So angle 1 is equal to 180 minus, so what is the answer? Then answer is 62 degree. So it is given angle is 62 degree or angle 1 is also 62 degree. So both are corresponding angle. So we can say yes, L parallel. It is the sign of parallel. L parallel M, because corresponding angles are equal. ये हमारा रीजन है इसके साथ. Okay, these are corresponding angles. Clear? Come to the question number 3. In question number 3, L and M are parallel. It is given. And calculate the measure of x. x की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. अब हम देखते हैं व्हाट इज़ द रिलेशन ऑफ दीज टू एंगल्स. सी हेयर, सेम पोजीशन में है, सो दीज आर corresponding angle. So we can say it is given na, L parallel M. It is given. So we can say angle X is equal to 105 degree. Why? Corresponding angles. And B part, it is A part, it was B part. See here, it is given angle 103 and you can find X. See here, it is interior angles. And what interior angles? Alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angles are also equal, because in this question these two lines are parallel. So we can say these two lines are parallel. These are L and M. So again these are L and M. In both question, see here, angle X is equal to 103 degree because these are alternate angles. Fine. And last question of this exercise, question number 4. In this question, L and M, two lines are parallel and angle 1 is given 65 degree, and the question is calculate the measure of all the other angles. So how can we find? See, in this question angle 1 is given. You can find angle 4, linear pair. So first we write here, given angle 1 is equal to 65 degree. So you can find angle 4, 180 minus 65, 115 degree. Why? Reason is very important, linear pair. Now we will see अब एंगल 1 के इक्वल कितने एंगल्स हैं. एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 3. वाई? वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स. एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 5. Same position, angle 1 is equal to angle 5, corresponding angle. These are corresponding angles. Angle 1, it is exterior angle. Angle 1 and angle 7, alternate exterior angles. We can write alternate angles only. See, these are 65 degree, the measure of these angles. And now next we will see angle 4, the 115 degree. अब एंगल 4 के इक्वल्स कितने एंगल हैं? सी एंगल 4. एंगल 4 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 2. अगेन रीजन सेम, vertically opposite angle. And now angle 4 is equal to corresponding angle, angle 4 का 8. It is also corresponding angle, corresponding angles. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. These are alternate angle. And the measure of these angles 115 डिग्री। क्लियर? अब हमने सारे एंगल्स फाइंड कर लिए। सी, एंगल 1, एंगल 3, एंगल 4, एंगल 2, कोई भी एंगल नहीं बचा। सो दिस इज योर आंसर। So students, practice these questions very carefully. Now exercise 5.2 is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.